Okay, today we are going to teach something different. We are going to discuss on why the internet speed of a laptop or computer is slower compared to another. If we have two laptops and one is faster than the other when it comes to internet speed, let's discuss why this happened. The reason for slow internet speed, number one, is because of the memory of that particular laptop. Okay, what memory means is the same thing as RAM, random access memory. Okay, when it is slow, all right, that makes the internet speed to be slow. So if you have high RAM, it's gonna be faster. So when you try other things and you feel like you can't fix that, check the RAM. Maybe the RAM is small, maybe 8 gig RAM. Some even use 4 gig or 2 gig RAM. So expand to at least 12 gig RAM. You will see that the internet speed may improve. Another reason is due to malware. All right, maybe virus is on your system unknown to you. What you need to do is to scan that for virus so that you'll be free from that and the system will work very well. And this is why I encourage people whenever there is need for system updates, do that. All right, if the PC or the laptop tells you that it needs to update, please follow the guide or download the necessary stuff and update it. Don't say the internet data is much and because of that I can't do that. You are killing the laptop and you're making your work sluggish. Another reason for slow internet speed on a computer or laptop is poor quality hard disk. All right, all hard disks are not the same, and that's why I keep saying go for SSD instead of HDD. All right, go for solid state drive. That's better. Okay, it will help you to enjoy overall use of that computer, including the internet speed. The space on the hard disk is another factor. All right. If the space is small, it will affect the internet speed. So clear some things that you don't need in that PC and remove some temporary files to create more space. With that, the internet speed may end up improving. Another reason is due to older antenna or Wi-Fi card. So check all these things. If you're using the older version of internet card or of internet Wi-Fi card, change it. If your antenna is poor, change it. Go for the latest and the quality one, and it will improve the internet speed of your laptop or computer. And the last reason why this happened is due to old drivers or outdated drivers. Sometimes when you get notification to update your Windows, if you're using Windows, just do that. Okay. When you make updates, some of these drivers issues are fixed. Some updated drivers get installed on your PC and you enjoy it when you start using it again. Okay, so these are the reasons. So once you fix all these, you will get your internet speed back. All right, and you will start enjoying it. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.